Stimulus payments for July. Which states are getting checks? Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another show. I hope that you've been having a very great day. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this channel. I want to bring you the most up-to-date news, talking about stimulus checks that should be going out, talking about politics and things that should be happening in this country. We all need more money. That's a given. So we want to make sure to bring you the most up-to-date news on this channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date. And if you think that Bernie Sanders would be a good president, then smash that like button. So after reading many comments, many of you guys said, I wish they would send out a stimulus check. And we all know about the battle between if we send a stimulus check out, it's going to hurt the economy, cause us to go into recession. But then again, sending out a stimulus check would help aid millions of people out. People need help. They need extra money. Why? Groceries are super high. Everything is super high. If you live in a state where gas is over $5, let us know down in the comments below. I had one of my buddies on here comment and say gas was $5.29. I said, I'm sorry, bro. I hope it goes down, because at $4.29, I know that my truck took $100 to fill up. I can't imagine another dollar more. I mean, that's just heartbreaking. But then again, this is the country we live in. This is reality. And I'm hoping that Joe Biden gets a plan together to make something happen. But some very exciting news is that there are states sending out checks this month. Check this article out. Boom. Stimulus payments, July 2022. How many states are currently sending checks? These are states offering stimulus payments in July. So guys, this is right here on the screen to show you there are states that are giving out payments this month. People ask, what about the dates? When are they coming? When is it hitting my bank account? And that's why we make these videos, to keep you guys updated on what's going on. But here's the sad news, okay? Not every state is sending out checks. I had a lady that commented yesterday saying, I wish North Carolina would do something. And I'm like, I wish every state would do something, because people need help. And my buddy Brian Amuro up in Hawaii, $300 is a slap in the face. People need more. They need like a $1,200, $1,400, or a $2,000 stimulus check. So real fast, I wanted to go through on the screen to show you which states are trying to send out payments this month. Let's jump on the screen. Okay, stimulus payments in July 2022. These are states offering payments in July. You've got Chicago, Illinois trying to send out $150. Indiana, $125. Ohio finally doing something, $350. Iowa, $1,400. You got Maine, $850. You've got Oregon, long time no see, $600. Guys, these are the states that are trying to send them out this month. They say they are, but you and I both know how accurate it is when they say something like that. So guys, I wanted to bring you the most up-to-date information. I appreciate you guys so much for clicking on this channel, leaving a comment. It means the world to me, and I will do my best to comment you back. On this channel, we're doing a $250 giveaway for 2 lucky subscribers. Make sure to jump in on that. We're also doing a one-time giveaway of $100 Visa gift card to 1 lucky subscriber. All you have to do to get in is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. We will be doing that giveaway here in about the next week, okay? We're trying to give people enough time to jump in on that. Guys, we love you. We appreciate you. Spread the word about this channel. If you have somebody that lives in Ohio or one of these states, let them know True Life Investing is giving updated news. Guys, I hope you continue to have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace!